What's going on, guys? This is Kevy Kev's Hobbies and Adventures, and today we're doing a Top Shot pack opening. I got my pre-order pack finally, a little bit earlier than expected. They said it was going to come by Sunday, but a lot of people got them last night, so I'm gonna open mine now. See what we got. You guys ready? All right. Hopefully a lot of these are high mint numbers, 35,000 CCs. Hopefully I get a very low mint number. Wish me luck. Here we go. First 11-6. Aaron Gordon, dunk, yes. Oh, barely. This moment's hurting. Why would they make this even a moment? Why would they even make this a moment? He even gave the face that he did something right there. And you guys lost. Oh man, this moment's whack. Yo. Come on, let's see if I can get something better than this. Oops, went too far. There we go. Next moment. Wish me luck on this one. Hopefully this one's better. 9,066. Who is this? Is this a rookie? Oh, it's Thibault. Is this considered a steal or a dunk? I didn't even look at what it said. Steal. It's kind of like two moments in one. I like this moment. Not a bad moment. Last one. Layup. A Raptor. Okay, good. I like this one. No matter what. I'm going to add this to my Raptor collection. There you go. Spicy P. My man. Not too bad. So yeah, I'm not crying. This pack, it could have been better, but it could have been worse, right? Where am I going? Oops. Base set progress. Okay, I pressed the wrong button, but yeah, you guys see what I got in my pack. It was an okay pack. Wasn't too bad. Added to my moments. I'm up to about 156 now. Not too bad. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't done so already, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And I'll see you guys next time.